Learn how to automate welcome emails for new site members using Wix forms and automations. Start by opening the Online Programs, then go to the Apps section in your Wix dashboard to access available apps and integrations. Next, open the App Market Home and use the search bar to find the Forms app you need. Select the Wix Forms app from the search results to add it to your site and start building new forms. Go to the Marketing section where you can set up automations connected to form submissions. Access your automation trigger settings to define what event starts your workflow, such as a visitor signing up. Now, set how often the automation runs for each person, choosing the contact field and, if needed, adjusting the interval to avoid sending too many emails. Customize the frequency unit for your automation, setting it in minutes or hours as needed for your workflow. Then, add a new step to your automation and choose the action type you want to include after someone submits the form. Select a scheduled delay if you want your follow-up email sent at a specific date and time. Next, edit the sender info and update your email template to personalize the welcome message. Finally, test your automation using sample data to ensure it sends the right message at the right time before going live. You've successfully set up an automated welcome email in Wix Forms.